Okay guys, so today we're going to start our lesson. So we're going to be going outside, but before we go outside, I want you guys just to take your notebook and a pencil. So we're going outside. Now, I want you guys just to look around your environment and just think about how would it look like 400 years ago. So just take a minute, look around, and just think about how would it look like. So I want you guys to be writing your answers on your notebook. So anything that you think of, just write it on your notebook, please. Okay guys, so I think we're done, so let's just go back inside the classroom. Okay, so guys, I just want you to take within 2 to 3 minutes to discuss your answers with your peers and just share what you guys thought what the environment would look like 400 years ago. Okay, so now, Juanita, can you just share some answers that your peer had probably mentioned what the environment would look like 400 years ago?
No streets.
So Elle said that there is no streets. Okay, so and what else?
Animals roaming.
So there were animals back 400 years ago. Okay, and what else had Elle mentioned?
A lot of trees.
Okay, so maybe there was a lot of trees. What else?
Forests.
Forest.
Grass.
Grass.
Rivers.
Rivers. And what else?
And ponds.
Ponds. Maybe there are ponds. Alright, so these are really good examples that you guys mentioned. Now I'll be showing a video on Crash Course just to give you a little bit more explanation to what are these positive and negative consequences that humans have done in the environment.
Surprisingly, habitat loss has greatly reduced the species richness. Habitat fragmentation has also meant that populations have been split into smaller subunits, which then when faced...
Alright, so now I'm going to just give you examples about the positive and the negative consequences here in Texas that we had modified the environment. Okay, so back in the 19th century, people would travel to one place to another using wagons, horses, boats, even trains, just to go to one place to another. So these are the positive consequences that people have done to the environment. So in today, in the present, we sort of use the same thing, but now we have more technology. So people now are traveling with airplanes. We have cars, and we also have buses to travel to one place to another. So I'm gonna write that now we use planes. Now we use buses, cars, and we still use a train today. Now these are really good positive consequences that we have developed throughout the years with the modifications into the environment. But since we do have positive, we also have negative. So now that we have the positive, we're gonna now talk about the negatives. Okay, so we have the positives. Now, because of the positives, we also have the negative consequences. So an example that I would use is that because of the stuff that we're using to travel to one place to another, it produces pollution in the air and the water. So that's one of the examples of the negative consequences to the positive consequences. So I'm going to write it down here. Okay, so do you guys understand? Give me thumbs up if you guys understand, thumbs down if you don't. Middle, you want me to give more some explanation to it? Yes, no? Alright, thumbs up? Okay. So now for your activity,